Recently, a unique artifact was unveiled by Russian President Vladimir Putin, a box containing a rare icon of a black Jesus. This icon, known as the Savior not created by hand, is a copy of an ancient Russian Orthodox Church icon, stirring a great deal of interest and discussion. The unveiling prompts varied interpretations. Some see it as a reflection of early Christianity's diversity, others as a challenge to Western representations of a white Jesus. This black Jesus icon underscores the ethnic diversity of the region where Jesus lived and preached. This event raises questions about race and ethnicity in religious iconography and its implications for cultural understanding. It adds a new dimension to discussions about the historical and cultural significance of religious art. The black Jesus icon asks us to reconsider traditional representations of religious figures and challenges us to confront biases, embracing the rich diversity of human experiences and expressions of faith. In conclusion, the unveiling of the black Jesus icon has sparked important discussions about diversity, representation, and cultural understanding in religious art. It invites us to explore religious iconography's complexities and engage in meaningful dialogue about race, ethnicity, and faith.